Good morning, Ms. Bartel here. I wanted to show you how to make a table and a graph on Google Sheets. So we have this problem in our warm-up today, and it's about this different type of music that students like to listen to. So I'm going to write those items as well as their fractions in a Google Sheet. So let's head on over to Google Sheets. We will open up a new Google Sheet, and the three types of music. Well, there we go. So music, I'm going to label that column. It was country, rap, and rock. And let's go back, check real quick. Country music was 1/4. So if I type in 1/4 right there, and the next rock is 5/12. 5/12 for rock. And the last is rap music, which is 1/3. So I can type in 1/3 right there. Now, if I highlight those items, and let me move my picture down here now, and I select this to see a few more options here on my Google Sheets, I can click on Insert, and I can click on Chart, and it will make, hopefully in just a second, beep boop, it will make a pie chart. So what it does is it pulls the data, and it does kind of select based on what sort of graph that Google's algorithm thinks is the most applicable. However, if you do want to change it to other types, you can certainly do so by selecting that drop down, that little caret facing down, and selecting a more appropriate graph. If you also want to, let me move my picture here, you can customize, and you can choose again the different styles and different colors, and you can change the color slices as well. So if I wanted to change country music to say, I don't know, a lighter blue, I could do that right there as well. So have fun playing around with Google Sheets, and there's lots of stuff you can do in there. So enjoy. Have a good day. Bye.